Hey there, humans. So this is a video that goes over your student survey for global studies. Every single one of you has done this for ninth grade academy. So there are some questions that are the same, but then there are a couple that are a little bit different. And then additionally, for the questions that are repeats that are the same, you might have different responses for different classes because it's a different class, it's a different group of people, we're doing different things. So your responses might be the same for global studies in ninth grade academy, and that's okay. They also might be different, and that's also okay. So the first one is, what is at least one thing that's going well for you? Again, it can be in global studies, it can be in general, pretty open-ended. The next question is, what is at least one thing that could be better for you? Again, in global studies, in school, in general, open-ended. The next question, what are at least 3 ideas, topics, themes, or issues that you're interested in learning about or spending some time on and exploring more? What are you curious about? If you're stuck, think about or look below at this screenshot I took of our Enduring Issues Jamboard that we use with current events. So basically just, what are you really curious about? What do you want to know? Next up is, what do you think is important to learn in a social studies class? Remember, social studies is more than just history. Yes, history is part of social studies and it is very important and we need to understand it so we can understand how we got where we are and how to live, but social studies is more than just history. If you're stuck, confused, or like, I don't know what you're talking about, lady, you're crazy, use Google. Google, like, what is social studies? What are things in social studies? What makes a social studies class? If you need help with that, email me and let me know, because you're doing this on remote days, so I should be able to respond to your emails and give you some suggestions. And if you're not stuck and confused, well, there you go, long answer. Next, are we moving through information and skills too fast? I need more time to process and understand what we're working on. Too slowly, whoops, let me just fix my typo there. Too slow, I'm bored. Or just right, I have enough time to feel comfortable with what we're working. Oh my goodness, what we're working on. Good thing I'm reading this before I send it to you. Next, if you could completely change one thing about class, what would it be? Again, tell me what it is, but tell me why. Give me some context so I can maybe figure out why it's not working for you. Next, if you could keep one thing about class exactly the same, what would it be? So again, tell me what it is. Tell me why you would keep it the same, like why it's working for you. And lastly, is there anything else you think I should know? Much like the first two, it can be about global studies, about school, about home, just anything that you think I need to know that would help me help you as a learner and a human.